Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I already made a video on the Monster Go Pyraminx and then I deleted it for two reasons. One, didn't really like how it turned out, but also, if you have headphones, you can probably really hear my wife playing the oboe in the background or testing out reeds. But also, I got something wrong. So one thing with the Monster Go Pyraminx, it's the budget line from GAN. It's not super cheap, but it's their budget one. And the tips don't have magnets, but apparently this part doesn't either. I thought it did, but it didn't. And so it's very clicky. Now, as far as performance with this, like this is kind of tight right now. But as far as performance, it performs exceptionally well, and it's really, really hard to pop. So it has some really good performance on it. It's just it's lacking what most people want now, which is magnets. So overall, this isn't going to be a super long video. Okay, so this isn't going to be a super long video. I could do some solves here. I mean, I'm behind the camera, so let's see. So let's do a solve. Let's see here. If I remember, it's been quite a bit. Then where's this piece? Yeah, that was right. Almost forgot how to do that. And then there we go. Okay, that was the simplest clunky solve ever. Let's do one more. And if that solve looked weird, that is because I use keyhole method, which is a really good one to learn if you want to learn one flip. Okay. So let's see here. There we go. It performs great. But if there's magnets, that would really make it like a top tier puzzle, but it's not. And there are budget ones that have magnets. So it depends on if you want something that can corner cut extremely well, or you want something that has that magnetic feel, because you really have a trade-off here. Not really happy that they did that, but it's kind of the policy of GAN, you know, where they make budget puzzles that are pretty decent. I mean, I think the Monster Go 3x3 is a better 3x3 than a lot of their top tier ones. So with that said, you could use this and get world record times. I love the feeling of magnets, so I'm going to go for a magnetic one, which I'll put a couple links in the description below. We can get that as well. So enjoy the lovely oboe squeaks, and thank you very much for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by SpeedCubeReview.com for more news and reviews.